Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's August 15th, 2011, and it's Monday morning. Well, first focus is going to be on the stock market and what kind of activity we see there with last week's extreme volatility, record volatility of 400-point moves in 4 days straight. That's going to be the focus beginning of this week. So far this morning, we're sitting at just slightly higher in a lot of the indexes, so not much activity there. Dollar is down a little bit. Crude oil's up a little bit as we speak. But when we get deeper into the agricultural commodities, what's affecting the momentum and the enthusiasm here is certainly the weather. Now, we had some rains move across the Midwest here over the weekend, but there's still dry areas. Overall, however, I think we've got the weekend and the week ahead of us look to be crop improving type weather. However, there's still the dry areas that did not get any rain. The only salvation they've got right now is that it's going to be cooler temperatures, below normal temperatures here for a few days, and that will help somewhat. But we still need to get some rain into those areas to help that soybean crop. Now, we've got crop conditions report out this afternoon. Trade in general is believing that we'll see reduced crop conditions again. When they total up all the numbers, the southern part of the Midwest will have deteriorated more than the northern part of the Midwest improved. Other things that we're watching here is the EU. Many of the countries are off today in Europe, so we'll see less data coming out of there and less news stories. So that will keep that market movers kind of quiet. However, from what we understand, that we've got France and Germany meeting tomorrow discussing the debt of Italy. So that will, as news stories and spin is released out of that meeting, will certainly have some type of an impact on the dollar, we would expect. We did have reported overnight that Algeria bought 500,000 tons of wheat from France, and so therefore we've got, and we also had some technical buying come in, push the corn market up near the contract highs, right up to the contract highs in the December contract, which is going to be a key hurdle here today. If we can close above that level, above the 722 3/4, 723 area, if we can close above there, then I think the next stop is up around the 740 area on the upside. However, if we fail here today and close lower, the technicians could jump on this thing and press the market as we have a double top farming on the chart. So kind of a critical session here ahead of us. We need to close strong in order to keep the bulls fed here and keep the market working higher. The Commitment of Traders report on Friday showed that the managed money did reduce long positions in corn, about 9,000, 9,200, and in the soybeans, more of a liquidation there on the out of the long positions in the soybean complex. In the livestock trade, good news there on Friday. We had cutout values up sharply, choice up 178, select up 246. We had a cash market strong last week. We expect dressed beef prices to continue to work higher here as we go into the Labor Day time frame. And we're getting some good buying in meat right now as the people are buying and fill-in buying for this Labor Day holiday, the last big holiday of the summer and cookout season. In the pork complex, cutout values there were up only 42, but stronger. Did get news out of China overnight. They released their July data on their hog industry and showed that their hog industry increased 1.1% in total hogs from over a year-to-year basis and or a monthly basis, and the breeding herd increased by about 1.4%. very strong numbers, and a reason why they've got a continued demand for meal, DDGs, and corn in order to feed all these livestock that they're accumulating. The Chinese government is concerned about the buildup of hog numbers as they move into their festival season here starting in September. But once that festival season is over, they're very concerned that they may have too much pork in the works, and could cause some price decline in the pork market in China. So something to monitor very closely here. Looks like it's going to be developing over a few month period of time, however. So markets are called steady higher in the livestock here this morning. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our research department would be happy to try to answer any questions that you have. And we wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.